Question number 12. In this question, x and y direction are east and north respectively. The unit are meter and second. Board A start from the origin and move with constant speed 5 under root 3 meter per second on the bearing of 030. After 100 seconds, board B start from the point P, which has the position vector 0,000. Board B move with the constant speed 10 meter per second on the bearing of 060. Find the velocity of each board in vector form. First, we should know that if we have the x-axis, so this one is east and y-axis is north. And we have the bearing of 303, it's mean 30. This is the direction of board A with a constant speed of 5 under root 3 meter per second. So we need to find the velocity of board A. Speed is given, which is speed of A is given, which is 5 under root 3 meter per second, and bearing is 030. Okay, this angle is 30, and if we take this angle, which is 90 minus 30, which is equals to 60. So we can say that velocity of A has the x component, which is velocity cos of theta and velocity sine of theta, and this theta is equals to this one. This is theta, which is 90 minus 30, and this one is 60. So VA velocity of A board is equals to V, which is 5 under root 3 cos of 60, and 5 under root 3 is sine of 60. So this one is equals to the 5 under root 3 cos of 60 is 1 over 2. Similarly, 5 under root 3 and sine of 60 is under root 3 over 2. So velocity of A board is equals to x component, which is 5 under root 3 over 2, and in this case we will have 5 times 3, which is 15 over 2. Similarly, board B has the velocity constant speed of meters per second with the bearing of 060. So velocity of B is equals to velocity time cos of theta and V sine of theta. And theta in this case is 90 minus 60, which is equals to 30, and velocity is equals to 10 meter per second. This one is equals to V, which is 10. Cos of theta is cos of 30 and 10 times sine of 30. And this one is equals to 10 times cos of 30 is equals to the under root 3 over 2, and 10 times sine of 30 is 1 over 2. So velocity of board B, this one is 5, so 5 under root 3, and this one is 5, which is the velocity of board B. Part B, show that both boards will collide. If both boards will collide, it means they will have the displacement equal at some point, so that they will hit together at that point. So we can say that displacement of A is equals to velocity of A times t. This is the relationship between velocity and displacement. And dA is the displacement of the board A, which is equals to velocity of A times t. So we can plug velocity. We just calculated 5 under root 3 over 2 and 15 over 2 times t. This is the displacement of board A. Board B start from the point which is 0,000, and from this point P, its speed is 10 meter per second with bearing of 060. So we can say that displacement of B is equals to starting point, which is 0 and 1000, plus this is the initial point. Now board B has the velocity of 10 meter per second, so velocity of B multiplied by time, 0,000 plus velocity of board B we just calculated, which is 5 under root 3 and 5. Time. It is given that board B start after 100 seconds. So time will be t minus 100. So displacement of board B is equals to 0,000 plus 5 under root 3 times t minus 100 and 5 times t minus 100. And this one is equals to the 5 under root 3 t minus 100, and this one is equals to 1000 plus 5 under time t minus 100. It should be noted that t should be greater than and equal to 100. Now we have the displacement of B, we have the displacement of A. At some point their displacement will be equal. So comparing the x and y component of both the displacement, this one is equals to the displacement of A, which is 5 under root 3 over 2 times t, and this one is 15 over 2 times t. So comparing the x component, we will have 5 under root 3 t minus 100 is equals to 5 under root 3, sorry, this one should be 2 over 2 times t. After cross multiplying, we will have 2t minus 200 equals to t, and further solving we will have t is equals to 200. So it's mean after 200 seconds they will collide each other. So to confirm it, we compare the y component, and comparing the y component, so 1000 plus 5 times t minus 100 is equals to 15 over 2 times t. It's mean both should be equals if t is equals to 200. So t is equals to 200. So both the displacement or y component will be equals. So plugging t is equal to 200, we will have 1000 plus 5 times t minus 100 mean 200 minus 100 equals to 15 over 2 times t means 200, and this one is equals to 100. 1000 plus 200 minus 100 is 100 times 5, so it will be 500 equals to the 1500. So 1500 equals to 1500, which shows that the at t is equal to 200 both board will have same displacement, so they will collide.